Hey YouTubers, I just wanted to make a real quick video here. This is my Glock 17. This is the Gen 5 version here, the MOS. And I've got a Dawson Percision Magwell on the bottom of it. Well, I shoot out EPA with it, but I'm starting to shoot USPSA. And I put a magazine extension on the bottom of this. So it's not, turn it the right way, it's not fitting in my Glock with magazine extension on it. And USPSA, you need to take your magwells off. Well, I started to pull the magwell off of here, and I was having all kind of trouble getting it loose. First thing you do, of course, is take the set screw out right back here. I already loosened that up so that we could take it out to save time. Now you've got a plastic insert that you put in here, and you can see I was messing this thing up around here, working on it, trying to get it to come loose. That thing is in there tight, but do you see this little tiny opening right here? If I can get something to point with, this little opening right here on it. So you can see that. What I did is I finally got a little tool here, and I popped it in that hole, and I just pushed it upward. Do you see that? Snap that thing back down. So you insert it here, go this way, and pop out. And that thing pops right out of there. It's so easy to come, well, I say that and then it gets hung. It's really easy to come back off. If you just insert something and pop it off, then you got two screws here set in from the bottom, hold it in place. That little thing was really hard to get out, but I was messing it up trying to pull it out. I guess that's why they send you two when you buy these, because they figure you're going to tear one up trying to remove it. Slide something in there and push it, comes right out. Nice and easy. So now we can remove this so that this will actually fit in the gun. Okay, we got the magwell completely off, and we've got our magazine in it with our magazine extension. Takes it from a 17 round magazine up to a 22 round magazine. Just want to do a quick video, let you guys see that in case you were having the same problem. You didn't mess yours up on the edges like I did mine trying to remove it. So guys, remember, be safe, buy gun locks, buy gun safes, secure your firearms to keep them out of the hands of children. Let's prevent accidents. Be safe, everybody.